everybody, I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon, and welcome to another edition of Thirsty Thursday. Jamie, what have we got today?
Today we're making the Americano.
Okay, Americano.
This is the precursor to the Negroni.
Okay,
So
what have we got in here?
this is Campari
Okay,
and a bit of vermouth.
vermouth.
Sweet red vermouth. To make Negroni, you just add gin. This one has soda water, so
So this is a little lighter than the Negroni.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is like what, 1860, 1850 drink that was invented
yep.
in Milan.
Yeah.
And so what do they call that thing where you can take a drink and you get some snacks at the bars?
Aperitivo?
Aperitivo? That's what this is. So you'd have some nice little snacks with this. We probably have some Ritz crackers here, but you could probably do
I don't
better.
even know if we have Ritz crackers.
Mm,
So we're gonna go an ounce and a half
of the sweet
of the
vermouth.
sweet vermouth.
Okay.
We're gonna go an ounce and a half of the Campari, if I can get it open. And I'm not a fan of Campari, so we'll see how this goes.
So if any of you have been watching Stanley Tucci Searching Italy, is that what it's called? He's been into a few cafes
We're gonna top with soda water.
and bars and had this drink along with little snacks. He's had little cheeses, little breads, little fish that have been cooked. I could be making most of that up, but
Sounds great.
it sounds kind of cool, something that he would do. It's on CNN.
Okay, so now in a column
Up.
glass.
So this is a very
Over
classic
rice.
sort of drink. So
I don't really like
it's
these
for a
ingredients,
refined
but
taste.
we're gonna top with an orange swizzle.
Okay,
Look at that, fancy.
yours is unbalanced. Okay, the Americano.
Cheers.
I kind of used a different accent than I probably should have. I find that refreshing.
I do not.
I don't mind that at all. It cleanses the palate, so you can eat more snacks. Those little fish, those little baked
Kind of tastes like
goldfish, those would be good for this.
herbal soda water.
Or pretzels.
I don't know. Give it
Anyway,
a go.
give it a shot. The Americano.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.